Investing in whisky is unique. No numbers on a screen, no share price that rises and falls, no balance that shifts while you sleep. Instead, a real cask, filled at an award-winning distillery, resting in a government-approved warehouse, quietly maturing. Your name on the paperwork, your number on the end of the barrel. Something you can stand beside, touch, smell, and even taste if you want to. With Starling, 15 years making wine and whisky ownership simple. Scottish and Irish distilleries, different cask types, ages and price points, but the same process for every client. Each cask stored professionally in bond, accounted for, looked after, while the spirit does what only time can do. When you're ready to sell, we'll explore the exit routes with you and help secure the potential capital gains tax advantages. You can visit the distillery, stand in the warehouse, experience the industry. Follow your cask's journey as it ages. To take the first step, register today